In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-sync audio with your video in CapCut. If you've recorded video on your camera and captured cleaner audio on a separate device, this quick method will line everything up so your voice matches your lips perfectly without manual dragging and guessing. First, bring your media into CapCut. Open your project and import both the video file and the separate audio file. You can use the import button or simply drag and drop them into your media bin. Having both files clearly labeled helps you identify them quickly, especially if you recorded multiple takes. Next, place them on the timeline. Drag your video clip to the video track, then drag your external audio to an audio track beneath it. Don't worry about getting them precisely aligned yet. They just need to be in the timeline together so CapCut can compare the sound from each source. Now, select both clips so CapCut knows which items to sync. Hold the Control key and click your video, then click your audio to highlight them both. On some keyboards, you might use Command instead. You'll notice both clips are now selected, which tells CapCut they're part of the same sync operation. With both highlighted, right-click anywhere on one of the selected clips to open the context menu. From there, click Auto Sync Audio. CapCut will analyze the waveforms in your video's built-in audio and your separate audio track, find matching peaks like spoken words or claps, and align them automatically. This can take a moment depending on the length of your clips and your computer's speed. Once it's done, you'll see that one of the clips shifts slightly to match the other. That's normal and means the software adjusted timing to line up the sound accurately. Because it's syncing based on real waveform patterns, you should find that lip movements and spoken words now match smoothly, without echoes or lag. A few quick tips to make this work even better. Try to have a clear reference sound on both recordings, such as a clap at the start of a take. Avoid heavy noise reduction or effects before syncing, since those can change the waveform shape, and keep the audio tracks from the same moment in the take, not from a different scene or version. And that's the entire process. Import your video and audio, place them on the timeline, select both, right-click, and choose Auto Sync Audio. CapCut handles the alignment for you, saving time and giving you a clean professional sync in seconds.